Do you start your shift ready to dominate, or are you scrambling to refill chemicals, charge batteries, and hunt down cleaning supplies? That first 5 minutes, it reveals your system. The difference between average cleaners and elite operators isn't talent, it isn't luck, it's preparation. In the book Atomic Habits, James Clear puts it this way: you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And in commercial cleaning, preparation is a major component of the system. Today, I'm giving you 5 habits that separate professionals from amateurs. Implement even one and your results will change. If you're serious about leveling up this year, hit the like button. That tells me that you want more content like this. Win tomorrow before today ends. Most cleaners start their shift by organizing. Professionals start their shift by executing. The difference? They prepare before they leave. Before you clock out, stock your cart, refill liners, top off chemicals, check equipment, and recharge batteries. These are simple actions, but they create a massive impact on your performance and overall productivity. Preparation removes friction from your system, and friction is the enemy of productivity because it destroys momentum. If you've ever lost 10 to 15 minutes just getting situated, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let me ask you, what are you doing to protect your productivity? Do you set reminders? Do you have non-negotiables at the end of every shift? Drop it in the comments. Your system might help someone else level up. Now, let's circle back to that point about refills. Refill before you run out. How many times have you run out of chemical mid-task? That interruption doesn't just cost time, it breaks rhythm. Elite cleaners don't wait for empty. They refill at 25%. They swap tools early. They charge equipment before it dies. They think ahead. The ability to maintain momentum builds confidence, which increases production speed and leads to greater profits. If you can manage to incorporate these characteristics into your routine, you are likely to make a greater impact on your clients. As things start to pick up with spring cleaning, staying organized becomes everything. That's where Jobber can really make a difference. Jobber is an all-in-one tool designed for service businesses that helps you manage your entire operation, from the first customer request all the way to getting paid. You can create quotes quickly, schedule jobs with your team, and keep track of every detail in one place. It also makes invoicing simple, so you can send invoices right after the job and even collect payments online without chasing your customers down. And as your schedule fills up, Jobber helps you stay on top of everything with real-time scheduling and automated reminders, so nothing slips through the cracks. If you're trying to stay organized and make the most of a busy season like this, it's definitely worth checking out. Visit the link in the description to get started today. What else can you do to go above and beyond? One of the key elements of being more efficient is always being ready to go. Show up early. Change your identity. Don't aim to be on time. That's average. Be the type of person who is early. 10 to 15 minutes early changes everything. Lower stress, enhances client perception, promotes mental clarity, and allows a buffer for potential problems. Prepared professionals don't start in a chaotic fashion. They start composed, and clients can feel the difference immediately. If you're in a rush, you're already setting yourself up to make mistakes, fall behind, and harm your image as a professional. Get into the mentality of being prepared, professional, and ready for anything. Upgrade your inputs. Preparation isn't just physical, it's mental. If you want better output, you have to upgrade your input. The fact that you're watching this video, that's a deposit into your mental bank as a commercial cleaner. You're recognizing that there's value in being elite, in raising the standard, in refusing to be average. Serious cleaners don't just work hard, they are thoughtful about their actions and methodical in preparing themselves for the task at hand. They study workflow efficiency, they learn new systems, they follow industry leaders, and they invest in education. If you're ready to take your business seriously, if you want more meaningful, targeted conversations about commercial cleaning and real growth, join us at octocleanmedia.com. We built a community focused on preparation, professionalism, and raising the bar in commercial cleaning. Together, we're transforming the industry for the better. My final point is that most people underestimate the value of preparation. They adopt the "I'll do it tomorrow" mentality because the task seems small. Scrubbing a cart, small. Refilling a bottle, small. Arriving early, small. But small habits compound. That's the core principle behind Atomic Habits. 1% better doesn't look impressive today, but stack that daily over 6 months. You finish faster, you make fewer mistakes, you look sharper, you win more contracts. Success in commercial cleaning isn't flashy, it's procedural, it's structured. It's earned in the details. Here's my challenge to you. What's one thing that you can prepare today that would make tomorrow easier? Not 5 things, 1. Let's talk about it in the comments. If you made it this far into the video, I applaud you for taking the time to learn how you can improve your business. We'll see you in the next one.